How you guys doing, 8th grade? Okay, this is your last part of your test. This is your math part of your ELA, 8th grade math. Make sure that you put your answers on your answer sheet. It says, please record your answers to the end of the year assessment on this recording sheet. So your first 2 pages are where they want your answers, okay? Let's get right to it. I'm gonna read strictly questions, and then it's up to you guys to make sure you put your best answers in the answer on the answer sheet. If it has 2 questions, if it has 2 parts to each answer, make sure you answer correctly. All right, first one. A square-shaped patio has an area of 256 feet squared. What are the dimensions of the patio? It says use paper to show your work. Question number 2. Draw a line in each coordinate plane that has the specified slope. So A is slope of 4, B is slope of -2, C is slope of 0, and D is 3/4, the slope of a 3/4. Question 3. Determine the positive value of x that makes the equation true. Use paper to show your work and check the solution. The positive value of x that makes the equation a true number sentence is, so find x. Question number 4. Calculate the slope of the line shown on the graph using any 2 of the labeled points. Show your paper on the box below. Question number 5. Find the x-intercept and the y-intercept points of the graph of the equation y equals 2x plus 4. Show work to justify your response on paper or the boxes below. So there's 2 parts. Make sure you find your x-intercept point and make sure you find your y-intercept point. Question number 6. Jill built a robot to enter a race at her school. The robot travels 8 meters in 3 seconds. Part A. How many meters can the robot travel in each second? And B, the distance the robot travels over time is graphed as the line shown. What is the slope of the line? Question number 7. Diana and Rochelle have each shown work to determine if the triangle given in the diagram is a right triangle. Which of the girls is correct? Explain the error in the incorrect work in the box below. Question number 8. In order for the triangle shown to be similar, the measure of angle A must be equal to blank degrees. Question number 9. Determine the equation of the line that goes through the points -2 and 1 and 1 and -1. The equation of the line is question number 10. Question 10. The table gives the output value that a function assigns to given input values. What linear equation describes the function? Write the equation in slope-intercept form. Question number 11. A fish tank shaped as a cube has a volume of 36 liters, or 2,197 inches cubed. What are the dimensions of the fish tank in inches? Question number 12. A list of inputs and their corresponding outputs is shown in the table. There's two parts to this question. A, is the function linear or nonlinear? B, if the function is linear, complete the equation that represents the function. If the function is nonlinear, write nonlinear in the box below. Question number 14. Question 14. Consider the function that assigns to each number x the value 3x squared. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 parts to this question. Part A, find the output assigned to each input listed in the table. Part B, the average rate of change of the function using the rows of x equals 2 and x equals -1 from the table. Part 3, or C, the average rate of change of the function using the rows for x equals 0 and x equals 1 from the table is, or part D, do you think the function is linear or nonlinear? Explain your answer. Question number 14. Which of the following functions are linear? Select all that apply. Question 15. Which number correctly represents 2 times 10 negative 4? Ooh, in decimal rotation. Number 16. Simplify the expression 4x cubed times 2x cubed. Number 17. Express your answer in scientific notation. So 9.3 times 10 7 minus 3.4 times 10 to the 6th power. Question 18. Molly wants to put a fence around an area. The fence will allow the diagram of the triangle shown below. About how much fencing does Molly need? Question number 19. An escalator runs from the first floor of a shopping mall to the second floor. The length of the escalator is 30 feet and the distance between the floor is 12 feet. Find the distance from the base of the escalator to the point on the first floor directly below the top of the escalator. Round your answer to the nearest tenth if necessary. And your last question. Question 20. In the rectangle ABCD below, BC equals 36 meters and CD equals 18 meters. Find BD. Round your answer to the nearest hundredth. And that is it. I hope you guys did well. Good luck, and I will talk to you soon. Have a good one.